Hello, I'm Phoenix Vice Mayor Kate Gallego. This is On the Go. We are on location at a home that YouthBuild has built in partnership with Habitat for Humanity in the city of Phoenix. We're revisiting and meeting with some of the individuals who we interviewed in an earlier segment about YouthBuild, which is a great program that provides building skills training and helps individuals get a GED. We wanted to check in with Aaron, Francisco, and Chris, who we met earlier, now that they've built a house and are further along in their program. Glad to see you guys again. Welcome back.
Thank you. Nice to see you too.
All right. So since we last spoke, you have a GED. Tell us what's next for you.
So in January, I'm planning on starting college for entrepreneurship classes.
Wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And Aaron, you have been very active in this program as well. What has it meant to you?
Oh, it's meant everything to me. Like I said before, I didn't know exactly what I want to do with a career path. Now that I've actually been doing work and coming here, learning a lot more, I want to do construction, So.
Wonderful. Can you tell us about the house we're in and who helped build it, a little bit about the background?
I helped build this house a lot. Me and a lot of my classmates, we helped build it. We put a lot of work into it, a lot of dedication. And I never did nothing like this before, so it was like an honor of just working here and serving the family.
Wonderful. And so you got to learn over at Gateway and Maricopa Skills Center skills, and then...
Yes, we learned a lot from our instructor, Mr. Brown and Mark, and we got here and applied it. And the main thing they taught us really was like safety, and I like to say I was like one of the only guys that didn't hurt myself here on the site. But we learned a lot as far as with nailing and using power tools, saws, and nail guns, and we came out here and applied it and did a great job.
Fabulous. And now a family has a beautiful home. I understand your work was so strong that they might even be able to get LEED Platinum, which is a recognition.
And I know that for a platinum, that's over 52 points, so that's a lot.
Right, so, and you get additional points every time you do more green, more efficiency.
Yeah, more green. What's the word I'm looking for? The more like alternative materials you use, the more points you get. So, and the highest you can get is what? Gold, isn't it?
Platinum.
No, you're going for the top.
Yeah, platinum. Platinum is the most LEED you can get certification. So.
Wonderful. So Aaron, what do you think about this program? Who would you recommend it to? Does it make sense for?
I would definitely recommend it to people that have, not really found their career path, probably, messing up a little bit in high school, don't really know, what they want in life, because that was for me. I didn't really know what I wanted. I didn't really have like the resources and teachers, so YouthBuild is a great program for them, and you meet a lot of great people, good networking, and it turns you into a better man or a better woman if you want to.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And how does it compare to a normal high school?
The difference is that we're a lot smaller, so it's like a close community. I know it's like in high school, everyone's scattered out. Everyone has their own, cliques. Everyone has their own groups, clubs that they hang out with. Here at YouthBuild, we're all connected. We all like to hang out, and it's awesome. You learn a lot, and you get a lot of credit, a lot of networking, like I said. Yep.
And can you tell us a little bit about the relationship the guys in the program have had and the instructors?
We have we actually get along. Everybody gets along. We've turned into good friends. Most of us, we call each other once in a while, hang out. Yeah, I met a lot of new people here, a lot of good friends that I didn't have before. Yeah.
So the City of Phoenix, as we spoke about, is doing this as part of My Brother's Keeper, which is our initiative for all young people, but we particularly want to make sure we look at challenges facing young men of color. Any words of wisdom for us from any of you as we close this segment?
Like I said, I would just tell them, have goals in life. Set yourself up at a great pace. Don't try to do too much at one time. Start out baby steps and just keep going with the program. Eventually, you'll start reaching those goals and, definitely be someone in life.
Fabulous. Well, thank you all for joining us. This has been On the Go with Kate Gallego, highlighting YouthBuild and congratulating these gentlemen on building a beautiful house in partnership with the City of Phoenix and Habitat for Humanity. As always, if there's anything we can do at the Phoenix City Council, don't hesitate to contact my office. Thank you. YouthBuild!